In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to customize your Shopify store using the pipeline theme. I will walk you through everything so that you can easily follow along and set up your store. So in here, you can see that we have in here our pipeline theme. It costs around 360 US dollars, but don't worry because you only need to pay this price if you publish it. So it has a lot of reviews as well with 97% positive, and in order to integrate this into your system, you first need to have a Shopify account. So if you haven't have a Shopify account yet, you can head over to our description below. You can click on the link on the Shopify and you can sign up using your link. Using that, you should be able to get an extended free trial as well as some discounts for the plans. Now, once you have signed up, you should be able to create your own store. So this is what the homepage looks like. We have in here our setup guide, wherein you can add your products, design store, customize domains, and the likes. In this case, let's head over and then switch our current theme, which can be Dawn theme or Horizon theme depending on it, and let's switch it into our pipeline theme. Just head over and click on this online store and it will show you the theme that you currently have. In here, you can see that our current theme is Dawn theme. Let's head over and change that. You can scroll down right here and then from there you can find your popular pre-theme. Into this part, click onto this Visit Theme Store. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the Shopify's theme store. In this part, click onto this search bar and then search in here for pipeline. You should be able to see in here this pipeline theme, which is the same web page that we actually saw earlier. What you can do is you can click onto this try theme option. Once you have clicked on that, this will prompt you to add in here this pipeline theme trial to your online store themes. So just wait for this to be easily installed into your Shopify store. As you can see, we have successfully added the pipeline. So scroll down and in here you can see this. As you have noticed, it's only a theme trial and we won't be able to publish it right now. So if you want to publish it, you can head over and click on this buy button. Now let's head over and customize our pipeline. Just head over and click on the customize option in order to open our Shopify editor. Doing this will actually show up right here our own pipeline theme. So this particular theme is really good if you have a fashion business and you want to use Shopify for that. They have this particular catalogs that can prompt you to the stores as well as show up the featured collections. So if you have winter collection, summer collection, this is the theme for you. We also have in here this blank pages that you can add. So you can see that it has a lot of sections that we can utilize for specific products, collections, and likes. So if there's particularly a part that you'd want to remove, you can just head over right here to the template, over to that part, and you can see in here this delete or this trash icon. So you can head over and then click on it, and then this will be removed from your theme. However, it's good if we can maintain it because we can actually input that right there. So as you have noticed, we have a lot of blank parts right here for the images. So what we can do is we can design something that we want to put right here. For example, we are a clothing business. Let's go over to our particular tool right here, which is Kittle. So if you don't have a Kittle account yet, you can head over to our description below and you can head over and also try to just subscribe or sign up using our link in order to get exclusive free trials and exclusive discounts. So in here, for example, we have in here some examples or as well as some templates. So here are the templates for the actual designs of the product. So you can have the run and then input right here something good if you want. So for example, you can click onto this new project. Now this will open our Kittle editor. And this Kittle editor right here should be able to give us some templates that we can utilize. For this part, I'll just choose the ratio of the YouTube ad banner and then click on create. So in here, you can see what that will entail, and we can see in here some examples of templates that you can add, for example, onto this part. You can also adjust the actual size based on the Kettle editor right here if you're unsatisfied with it. So for example, let's go over right here to the marketing templates and find in here something that we want. So we have in here some flyers that we can utilize as well. So for example, in here, let me add this graphic design part and I can head over and edit it out later on. Once that will added, it should be able to show up as a second page of this part. So what we can do is we can just edit that all together. So this is the banner that I have decided to create. It has a mix of yellow and pink. So if you want, you can also edit the actual project colors based on this one. You can just head over and then use the tools provided by the Kittle. We also have other tools like, for example, the templates part. You can add text, illustrations, images, textures, brand kits, upload, and also you can use the Kittle AI. So hurry up and sign up. Now, if you want to export it, head over and click on this icon right here, and then just choosing here the artboard that you want to use. For this case, I'll head over and then choose the other artboard that we have. Click onto this download, and you should be able to download this thing that we have added. Now, once it's done downloading, you can head back right here to your Shopify editor in order to add this particular banner. So let's head over and add that right here. Let's head over and click onto this part for the image banner. Click onto this image right there. Click onto this upload image and then upload the image that we actually downloaded. Now done adding it and just click onto this done option and it should be able to reflect right here into our actual image banner. So not just image banner because you can also add some product images and also you can create logos on Kittle. So it's actually that good right there. So once you're done with your progress, head over and save. So using the pipeline tutorial, you can also edit out some parts of your actual template. For example, you can utilize this template settings that we have right here or this theme settings. You can change the colors that we have right there. You can click onto this expand option and you can change the colors in order to use the brand colors that you have. For example, right here, let's choose for the background a mix of pink, just like what we have right there. Just go over right here to this part and choose the kind of text that you want added for this part. So you can see it that it will actually adjust onto this later on. And you can also choose the light palette for the body background. So for the light palette, I'll also use something like this, but something lighter as well. Just like that. And it will reflect later on into this part. So aside from the actual colors, you can also expand your theme settings and you can get or you can change your typography for your themes. So as an example, let's head over to this typography and we also have a typography advanced. You can choose the font size scaling, the element accent, uppercase letters, and advanced font size surveillance for this part. For the typography, you can choose the actual heading font, body text font, and accent font based on this. So this has a different medium onto this all throughout. Into the theme settings, you can also add icons, five icons. You can utilize the search bar right here in order to enable suggestions for the cards, currency, advanced, custom CSS, and the likes. Once you're done, click onto this save. But yet, we're not done yet. Let's head back to our Shopify. And the next thing on our agenda is adding some product. In order to do this, click on this add option right here. In here, you can see some apps that you can install. Into this part, let's head over and using here this Syncy Collective Dropshipping. So click on this icon right here. So clicking this icon will actually prompt you to install this application to your Shopify. So make sure to allow the installation of this. Once you have successfully installed it, you can see in here the actual Syncy Dropshipping. You can choose which products you want to sell. So since we are a fashion website, let me choose in here this fashion. Click on next. Then after that, you can choose your target market. I'll just choose my current location and you can see in here the 25 bestsellers all ready to import. You can add it to your import list or push all of this to your store. You can also skip and search the products. Now, as you can see right here, they're actually offering a 3-day free trial, and you can push those products to your store. However, if you go over to our description below, you can see a Syncy description and you can see a Syncy link right there. You can just sign up to Syncy using our link and you should be able to enjoy exclusive discounts and much more free trials using our link below. So head over and just choose which one you want to use. Now, as you have noticed, the products are currently being pushed to my store and the product import has started. You can see in here your business insights, and if you're new to dropshipping, they also have some resources that can help you. So in here, you can also discover new products by clicking onto the search bar. For example, let's search in here for gown, and it will show you in here some options based on to the actual attachments right here. You can view suppliers as well as existing products based on this part. Now in here we have this gown. We also have this parts right here. You can add it to your default import lists and you can just choose which one you want added. You can just hover to a specific product, click onto this add to import, and you can add those to your import. Now once it's been added to your import list, you can successfully push it to your actual store. Go over right here to your import list and then just choosing here the actual product that you want pushed. In order to do that, you can just select everything or you can also enable syncing based on your products. So into this part, you can just choose which one you want added. Click on these three dots. You can either delete it or push it to your store altogether. You can also sync this in order to add it into your store. Now let's head over to our products in order to see if it's already been pushed there. So into this part, you can find the products that we have now on our store. So when you go over to your store right here, you can click on your home page. You can go over right here to the products option and you can see the default product and you can now see what pipeline looks like into this. So we have in here this shirt. You can choose set or top and you can also choose sizes. So pipeline is really good because it has a comprehensive variation system just like this. You can choose in here how many you want and also how much is left in stock and you can choose to pay via PayPal or if you have more payment options, you can also do that. Now, speaking of payment options, since we already added products into our store, you just now have to set up our payment methods in order to receive payments. Head over right here to your Shopify again, go over to your settings, and then after that, you can head over and see the payment options right here. Click on that. Once you have clicked on it, you can see that we can actually set up our PayPal into this part. You just head over and just use the on-screen instructions in order to set it up. If you want, you can also receive payments through Apple Pay and other Visa, MasterCard, and other payment methods. Just go and choose a provider by clicking on the button right there. And then from in there, just choose your provider that you want. Do take note that your provider that you can see right here is dependent on the current location that you have. So for this case, let's use this aid-in payment. And into this part, head over and click on install. By the way, if you want to add this to your Shopify and if you don't have an account yet, you can head over and sign up using our link on the description below. They should be able to give you exclusive discounts and free trial of this particular payment method. Now, once you have added a particular payment, next thing to do is to add or introduce your brand using a domain. As you've noticed, our domain right now is a mix of numbers and letters, which is not good. Let's integrate our brand right here by going to a domain provider. I actually recommend to use Namecheap. Into this, you can head over and then just choose in here an actual domain name that you want. And then search option. And then they should be able to show you in here some search suggestions that you can use for your domains. We have .com and we also have .net and the like. As you can see, .com is only $10 per year, and the cheapest one that we have retails at around only $1, which is the .xyz. Just choose which one you want. Just click on the add to cart. Then after that, head over and then check it out. Now, if you want exclusive discounts on Namecheap, you can head over under the description below in order to get exclusive discounts on your first purchase. So from there, you need to head back right here to your store, then click on the disconnect existing domain, and then just input right here the domain name that you have just purchased earlier. Now click on the this next, and you should be able to just follow the on-screen instructions in order to add this. Now I hope this video actually helped you out a lot on how to actually edit your pipeline tutorial or your pipeline Shopify account. So using this tutorial can actually give you a lot of insights on how to maximize your business opportunity with this particular theme. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you so much for watching.